Welcome to week 3. This week we will learn about many factors that are associated with second language learning, which can make it successful or challenging. I'd like you to read chapter 3 in our textbook, as well as these two websites. There's an optional website that you can access here, and several videos this week that I think you will find very interesting. One of the discussion boards focuses on some of the videos there. We have 2 discussions and a quiz this week. For this first discussion, you're going to use the project you did with your small group last week. It was the one where you create the arguments for or against 2 premises related to language 2 learning. So only one person of each group needs to upload that work that you turned in last week to the discussion board. You will then read those items, and that needs to be, whoever decides to put that up on the discussion board in your small group needs to have it up before Wednesday, so that then the rest of the students can read those, and you will decide which 3 you would like to comment on. So with the rubric being 3 parts of 10 points each, you will then reply to 3 different teams. So your grade will consist of the 3 responses other than your own that you will comment on. Generally, you have an initial post and then you respond to 2 people. But this week, since only one person of each group will be uploading previous work, your job will be to respond to 3 of those. The second discussion is regarding Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences and the Brain Man, which is one of the videos. So please take a look at those videos, and then you will look at these questions to guide yourself that you will reflect on for your initial post. Then you will be required to respond to at least 2 other posts. Once again, the rubric is right here to help guide you. And lastly, there is a quiz this week. And that concludes lesson 3.